Hey beautiful Virgo, let's see what's coming up your way for the month of August. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So let's see what is coming up your way. By the way, this is general reading, so it may not resonate with all of you. Check on the reading for all placements of your chart, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So let's give cards a good shuffle, and if the shuffling bothers you, you can really fast forward the video, but you don't need to because you got the card. The core energy that you are entering with during the month is the Tower. Tower is, it could be a Scorpio influencing your life, sudden change, upheaval, something chaotic. But the good thing with Tower is this is not as dreadful card as people usually portray. This is something that brings you closer to the reality. Crossed by this is the Hierophant. You might be getting to know some secrets within your committed relationship. This could be commitment in love relationship. This could be commitment in money, career, and area. Something that you hold value to. Something that makes you ascend to higher levels of hierarchy. In your conscience goal is Page of Swords. In the foundation, you have the Star. Your wishes are being answered. Your prayers are being answered. You are being ascended to a newer level, but you cannot see the things right now. In the past, you got the Queen of Pentacles. In the upcoming days, you got the Lover. The Gemini could be influencing your life. In the U position, you have the Emperor. In the area of closest relationship, the Magician. The Seven of Pentacles in hopes and fears, and the Word card as the outcome. At the bottom of the deck, you are showing up very sad, very remorseful with the Five of Cups. Five of Cups is that you could have lost your taste for something, someone, a situation, could even be a food, and you are really sad about that. But how long are you going to stay in the past? Because these three cups are spilled. Done is done, cannot be undone. Now is the time when you need to look around and you will see these two cups, which are a gift from the universe, and you can get started over your life yet again. Entering your reading is the Tower. As I mentioned earlier, something chaotic, sudden. I feel as if this has more to do with some secrets being revealed in your love life within your committed relationship, and these secrets are going to make you land on these crossroads with the Lovers, where you will reach out to your higher self, your angels, your spirits, like what am I supposed to do from here onwards. With the Hierophant, apart from the commitment situation that secrets are being revealed, this is the time when you can really make a change, both in your relationships and in your money, career area as well. Like with the Hierophant, this is initiation, this is learning new skills, this is ascending from a lower hierarchical level to a higher one. Blessings are coming towards you, and I feel as if these blessings when come towards you, you'll be able to make this choice with the Lovers here. I feel as if this choice of Lovers is more into your love relationship, and you might be second guessing, like, is the juice worth the squeeze with the Seven of Pentacles here? Then I certainly feel that you can really get out whatsoever you want from this situation because of the Word card, a whole new reality that you are creating with for yourself. In the past, you got the Queen of Pentacles. You are showing up in your own energy. Queen of Pentacles could be an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Queen of Pentacles is someone cool, calm, collected, very stable, nurturing. But there was a thing with this. This queen was protecting her heart. She was protecting her heart from betrayal, from heartache, from any damage. And I feel as if, despite all your defenses, your heart got broken somehow. And now is the time when you need to pick up the pieces. And your conscience goal is Page of Swords. You are curious about someone, something, some situations. It is as if you have reached this high mountain where you stand and you are just looking down on everyone, like what people are doing. And as you do that, don't forget that you are also in energy of other people, because we do mirror each other's energy. People could be gossiping about you, they could be talking about you. If you feel as if you have done whole the research about knowing a person, rest assured that the person also has done the research. And the foundation of the hidden truth here is the Star card. This, of course, is wishes coming true, prayers being answered. But with the Star card, this is a message about having a north star in your life, something to look up to, a guide, a mentor, a philosophy, a idea, something that keeps you moving through the life. And also with a star, as you tap into that energy, be that of a physical person like a guru or a mentor or a guide, be that a philosophy or whatsoever that is, you become an inspiration not only for yourself but also for the people around you. In the upcoming days, the lovers, you'll have to make a choice, particularly in terms of your love relationship, could be in any other area. And this lovers is when you make the choice from the place of love and not from the place of fear. When you trust the process, when you trust whatsoever is guiding your path is really around you for the support. In the youth position is the emperor. Regardless of the gender, this is very stable energy. Could be a father figure, could be an Aries influencing your life. With the emperor is that this person is ready to grab onto the opportunities as soon as they appear. So I feel as if during the month of August you will be in position of charge. You will be ready to grab onto whatsoever tiny information that comes your way, and you will be like venturing onto that. And your closest relationships are helping you in that regard, Virgo, with the magician here, because magician is card of manifestation. And card of manifestation, like you can literally manifest anything that you want, provided that you use the right tools and the right skills. And I feel as a Virgo, this is not the first time that you are manifesting something. You know by the experience that manifestations does come true, and you are just mixing all the ingredients in the right proportion to get the desired result. In the hopes and fears, you might be afraid, like, is the juice worth the squeeze? You might be second guessing your position. You might be thinking as if, is the grass greener on the other side? No, it is not greener on the other side. It is greener on the side where you stand. So trust your process, and also you have some kind of competitive edge over someone else. And that competitive edge really makes you shine bright in this whole situation. And the outcome for you is the world card. World is completion of a chapter. This is sense of wholeness, sense of completeness, where you are creating a whole new reality for yourself, and within this reality, only the things that you want in your life will survive. This is very witchy energy, like settling all the affairs of your life as per your desires. Let's see what do we get with the word card for you, Virgo. This is for the sign of Virgo. By the way, if the reading resonated, like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. Your feedback really helps me keep going. And you got with the word card the Three of Swords. You are closing your door towards this pain, something that hurt you, some kind of betrayal, a third party situation. You are finally done with this situation. No more heartache, no more pain, and you are ready to heal yourself. Again, healing has become a very prominent theme in all the readings for all the signs. So now this is your sign, Virgo, for healing yourself, for pouring more into your cup. You are just closing the doors towards all heartache, and you are enjoying quality time with kids. You are paying attention to the needs of your inner child, and you could be doing things that you used to love when you were a kid. So great energy. You are in your position of power and strength. You are kind of reclaiming your power, creating a whole new reality. I hope it helped, and I'll see you next time.